Hi guys, it's House of Rose and welcome back to my channel. So, partnering with DSoar here today, and I got 3 bundles and a closure. The details on the hair will be in the video because you know I don't be remembering when it's time to do the little intros or whatever. So definitely will be in the voiceover. I've had this hair in for like 3 days, and so far the hair is really super soft and lightweight, as you guys can see. It does have a little shedding problem, like when I be braiding it at night to go to sleep, it does like be here on the floor. So but it's more of like breakage, it's not like full strand. So yeah, maybe you could just give them ends a little trim, so it might be a little sandwich. The hair is really like, look at this, look at the curl pattern, it's really pretty. I do like the hair when it dries and gets really big and poofy. I did have a hard time plucking this closure, like, oh god y'all, I really did not like it. I really didn't. But it took me 3 days to like my hair because I had to keep plucking it every single day because the closure, it was really dense. Yeah, but besides that, the hair is lovely. If you guys want to watch this video, get this little install like this, make it closure, slayed like this, just keep going, keep watching, don't exit out, don't ever exit out. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and until then, enjoy this video. So this is the packaging for the hair. That's the bundle I tested to see how the curl pattern is, but I'm going to show you guys the curl pattern straight out of the packaging or whatever. It was very, very curly. The hair didn't have any smell or anything like that, so you guys don't have to worry about anything like that. I actually did have to make this wig myself, but my sister made it for me because I'm lazy. So here is the wig, freshly washed and everything. That's the curl pattern. And you guys know, as always, to start off putting that wig on, you want to clean off your head with some alcohol. Make sure it's nice and cleaned off. You guys can see right there, like I still have a little bit of shininess from like my skin oil, so it's a little oily or whatever. Just want to wipe that up again with the alcohol. So I'm gonna put this wig on so I know where exactly to put the glue. The glue I'll be using, as always, is Ghost Bond XXL because that is my favorite, even though it be playing sometimes with the drying and being white or whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna put the wig down and see where exactly I want to put it, how far forward I want to put it, and where I should be putting that glue. So I do actually have a band in this wig in the back, so I'm only going to be applying 1 layer because it is a closure, and I just feel like it does not need that much glue, but I just put glue because I don't want it to move. But it also has that band, so it's very secure. So closure wigs, it does not really like take a lot of maintenance, so do what you want to do it how you want to do it, add some extra glue if that's what you want to do to make it extra secure. But for me personally, I just put 1, wait till that turns clear, and I'm placing that baby down. So how I created my wig, like the way it was made, I followed the Erica J video because I feel like she knows what she's doing the best. So if you guys want to know how to make y'all closure wig, go watch Erica J. And yeah, for the baby hairs, I'm just pulling out a thin layer because when you put thick baby hairs, you get a real ghetto looking. Like, we do not want that. No zones. As always, I'll be using the Got To Be Clear to lay my baby hairs. But recently, for my recent install, I used some mousse and I was feeling it. So your girl might be switching over to mousse, but I still fuck with the Got To Be. Gotta do both. And when it comes to baby hairs, I try to make them look as natural as possible, like to my baby hairs, because everybody who knows me, like my real hair, I do dramatic baby hairs with my real hair because I have like a lot of baby hair. So that's what I do, the same thing to my wig, so it doesn't really look weird on me at all. This point right here, I realized some of my wig was lifted in the corner, so just gonna put some glue and push that baby down. And then I'm gonna apply that band to give it a good hold while I beat this face, and then I'll be back to show you guys. Oh wait, I guess I'm plucking. I'm not even plucking, I'm parting. I guess the girl is parting, but we're still leaving that band on so we could let it marinate, get perfect. So I'm gonna do that part. You guys know parts is hard for me. I can never get it into the middle of my head ever. Now I'll be taking the LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn to make my part more present, because I actually did not bleach the knots on this wig because I could not find my bleach, and I had to get this video out because, girl, I had this here for a minute. So I'm going to be taking the hot comb and, you know, making the roots a little bit flat because I do not like closures, as I said. I don't like the puffy look, so, you know, I have to make it look as frontalish as possible. So now your girl is plucking. So I'm plucking some more hair out because I still feel like the frontal is too dense. Mind you, this is I think this is the third day I wore this hair and I still was plucking it because that frontal is really dense. I mean closure. That closure is really dense. So if you get the closure, guys, please get a pre-plucked one because this is too much. It's too much. So I'm just going back in there with that flat iron to make sure everything is as flat as possible. But you know, I'm going to be going in there with some water soon because, you know, we got to make them curls pop. Just do not spray the water on what you just flat ironed or a hot comb because, you know, be smart. You know, that doesn't make sense. Don't do that. Don't do it. No, I really think I'm bad and funny. Like, I think I'm hilarious. So I'm using the Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Shea Moisture. I know you guys probably be like, why the freak this girl always using natural hair products on her weaves? I think it's because, like, my sisters are always buying natural hair products and it's like, okay, I'm just gonna put this on my weave. Like, why would not? Why would I buy something else when I could just use yours? So basically this is the end result for this little install right here. I put that band back on and beat my face, and you know, your girl came back as the baddie that I am, period. And that's me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the realest on YouTube. At the end of the day, that's me. Period. Ain't no page at all. But yeah, guys, see you guys in the next one.